Hi guys, my name is Vijay here, and this is one of my first videos, so please bear with me if there's a bit of quality distortion on the voice and quality distortion on the appearance, right? I'm trying to use some software here to get this information up onto YouTube, right? But the whole idea here is I'm a SharePoint consultant dealing with Microsoft SharePoint solutions for on-premise and for the cloud, and I'm also a Nintex workflow solution consultant helping organizations move their manual business processes onto SharePoint. And when you move a business process onto SharePoint, you need a workflow engine to get all these business processes being propelled. So that's where I use Nintex to get all these business processes built onto them and then published it onto your SharePoint. So Nintex is really amazing. You can do document approvals, you can do electronic form approvals, you can do mathematical calculations. It goes on and on and on, right? But in today's video, what I'm going to show you here is how to get this Nintex cloud version installed onto your Office 365 SharePoint 2013 online and start the ball rolling. So first of all, you got to have logged into your Office 365 admin center. That's where I am now here. Once you're logged in here, we got to navigate to the sites. And once I'm in the site here, I'm actually going to focus more on the team side, not on the public side here today. So let's navigate to your team site. Once in your team site here, you're going to see a few stuffs here. That's not part of our concern now. Let's navigate to this particular location where my mouse is going. When you click on this gear icon, you're going to have a lot of stuffs popping down here. So the first thing we got to go here is we got to go and add an app. And by going to this add an app page, that's where you're going to go and see the SharePoint store. That's on the left hand side, right? So I'm moving my mouse over to the SharePoint store. If you click on the SharePoint store, you're going to get a lot of apps which are available on the cloud, which you can download and get them loaded on your SharePoint 2013 online and start using them. So as for today, I'm going to look for this particular app called Nintex Workflow Online, and if you can see it, it's already there, right? So if you can't find it there, it's okay. You can still go to the search box here, type the word Nintex, and then search it. And you'll get this Nintex Workflow Online preview version, which is free now. It has a 5-star rating. And go ahead, let's click on it. And when you click on it, you're going to get a page full of Nintex Workflow Online preview information. Let's scroll down. You're going to have some details here. Go take your time, read through the details. So after reading through the details, just navigate backwards. Look at this option here, free. Yeah, it's free, guys. Click on edit. So when you click on edit, it's going to go through some data churning and it's going to take you to Microsoft Office Store, and voila, you get this whole thing here. Confirm that you wish to add the app, right? We're going to go ahead and add it. So let's click on continue. And Microsoft goes through a certain process. Oh, that's fast. You just got an app for everyone within your organization. Add this app to Alpha Connections Private Limited team site. That's the organization that I'm working for, right? So let's move on. Let's click on return to this site. So this is the comment box that you're going to see if you're on Microsoft Office 365 and you're working with SharePoint 2013 online. It's going to prompt you this particular box. Do you trust Nintex Workflow Online? Of course, you got to trust it to get it installed, guys. So let's trust it. So once you trust it, it's going to go through some data churning, and voila, it says that you already have an Nintex Workflow Online there, and it tells you that we are adding your app, and you got to wait for some time before the app becomes available, because it's going to be downloaded and it's going to be installed. And while I was talking, the app got installed, and now you have Nintex Workflow Online preview version for your SharePoint 2013 online team site. So if you go here and click it, it's going to take you to another page where you have your Nintex Workflow Online stuff coming up. It's connecting to SharePoint, right? It's going to go through certain process here. We are on the cloud, guys, and it takes some time to get churned out and get connected to SharePoint, and it's going to present you a page where you can start building your beautiful workflow, right? So that's all I have for this video here. Catch more video of mine to see how you can get Nintex integrated on your SharePoint 2013 online to propel your business requirements. Thank you for watching this video, and see you guys again.